Question number 11, circle part 2. The ratio of the circumference of any circle to its diameter is little over 3 and remains constant. Means always you will get that ratio as 3.14, means greater than 3. This constant is represented by the Greek letter pi. This is called as the pi. Great mathematicians have proved through the hard work that this number is not a rational number. In practice, the value of the pi is taken to be 22/7 or 3.14. So whenever you take this pi in the formula, while calculating, you have to take the value of the pi as 22/7 or 3.14. If the value of the pi has not been given in the problem, then it is taken to be 22.7. If the value of the pi is not given in the word problem or any example, that time you have to take the value of the pi as 22/7, or if it is given 3.14, then use as a 3.14. If the radius is r, diameter is d and circumference is c, then the formula of the circumference is 2 pi r. This is the formula of the circumference. Now how to solve the examples of the circumference? The diameter of the circle is 14 centimeter. Find its circumference. Here diameter is 14 centimeter and the formula is 2 pi r. We have learnt here, no? 2 pi r. So 2r means diameter. If you write is 2r pi, this 2r means the diameter. So directly here you can take the formula as pi d also, if in the example diameter is given. If radius is given, you have to take the formula 2 pi r, and if diameter is given, pi d. Then circumference is equal to, here the value of the pi is not given, so we will have to take 22/7 as the value of the pi. It is constant, so every time we have to take the value of the pi as a 22/7 here, into this diameter 14. 7 2s are 14 and 22 2s are 44 centimeter is the answer. So circumference of the circle is 44 centimeter. Second example, the radius of the circle is 35 centimeter. Find its circumference. Now in this example, radius is given, so we have to use the formula 2 pi r. Radius of the circle is 35 centimeter. Then write the formula. Put the value in the formula. 2 multiplied by 22/7, value of the pi, multiplied by radius, that is 35. 7 5s are 35. 22 2s are 44 into 5, 220 is the circumference of the circle. It is very easy to solve. Now one more example. The circumference of the circle is 198 centimeter. Find its radius and the diameter. In this example, circumference is given and we have to find out the radius and the diameter. We have to use the same formula. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. This is 198 is equal to 2 into the value of the pi, 22/7 into r. So r is equal to r. For our convenience, we will take it at the left hand side and rest to the right hand side. So 198 multiplied by 1/2, this 2 means you can divide it by 2 into 22/7, reciprocal of it 7/22. After calculating, you will get here 31.5 centimeter will be the radius, and we know the formula of the times radius 2r. So multiply this radius value by 2, you will get the diameter 63 centimeter. One more example, the circumference of the circle is 35 centimeter. Find its circumference. This we have solved. The circumference of the circle is 62.80 centimeter, taking pi as 3.14. Now in this example, the value of the pi is given. So this we should use. Find its diameter. Same formula we have to use. Circumference is equal to pi d. Now diameter is asked, that's why we will take here pi d. Circumference is 62.80 is equal to, the value of the pi is 3.14 multiplied by d. Now shift this 3.14 and divide it. After dividing you will get 20. To make it easier, you can multiply this by 100. 62 into 100, 3.14 into 100. So you can remove the decimal point here. You will get 6,280, 314. So it is easy to divide. Understood? And then you will get the 20 as a quotient. That's why diameter is 20 centimeter.